Hi, Sam and Mabuhay. I'm Dominic, aka Philly Swiss, and welcome back to my channel where we figure out how to live our best lives on a budget without losing our minds. As you know by now, I go to the gym after work and I don't want to ruin the progress I make just because I'm too tired to cook. But I also don't have the energy for cooking delicious but complex meals. If you're in the same boat, here are 5 easy chicken meals to meal prep and make ahead that tastes good, keep me full, and don't make me question my life choices. Before we start, if you love realistic meal prep that actually fits into a busy schedule, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your go-to quick meal after a long day is. Alright, let's get cooking. The goal is simple: cook once and eat all week. I'm simmering chicken in water with onions, garlic, bay leaves, peppercorns, and salt. This broth is gold. It's going to be the base for our ramen, and the chicken is getting split up for other meals. Less work and more balance. So our first meal is fried rice. Add a little garlic, shallots or onions, soy sauce, chicken, shredded carrots, cabbage, and frozen peas. If you want extra protein, crack in an egg, and it's done in a few minutes. You'll actually be looking forward to eating it. Honestly, this meal keeps me from making bad food choices. No shade to takeaways though, but I feel so much better after eating something I prepared myself. So we know that fried rice is elite, but sometimes I just want noodles. Same concept, just swap the carbs and add some oyster sauce. If you like spice or heat, add chili oil. It's going to be your friend. Meal prep isn't about suffering through bland food. It should be something you actually want to eat, and I want to eat this. Chicken adobo is a Filipino classic, and for good reason. It actually gets better the longer it sits, which means by the time I eat it after work, it's at peak deliciousness. Just soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, black peppercorns, and sugar. And let it do its thing. Then pair it with some rice, veggies. It's comforting and effortless. And that's the vibe we're going for. Now let's switch it up with some chicken afritada. This is my I want something cozy but I don't want to work for it winter meal. Saute some onions and add the tomato sauce, throw in your chicken and let it cook with the potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers. This meal feels like a warm hug. It's warm, hearty, and exactly what you want when it's cold outside. If you're dealing with gloomy winter days like you're in Wuthering Heights, this is the type of food that makes you feel like you just came home to a house that smells amazing. When it's cold outside and you just want to wrap yourself in a blanket, soup is the main player. Another winter meal favorite of mine is ramen. It's hot, comforting, and packed with flavor. Very simple since you already have what you need, like shallots or onions, garlic, the chicken broth you prepared, and when the day comes, just heat up the broth and add in your noodles and toppings. I like to add bok choy and green onions to top it off. And that's 5 meals prepped, no stress. This way I come home, heat up something good, and don't have to think about food choices when I'm already tired. So far, meal prepping has helped me so much in my fitness journey. I've been consistent in January with my breakfast meal preps. Now it's time for dinners, and I'm feeling good about it. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and tell me in the comments, what's your go-to meal prep meal? That sounded like a tongue twister. All right, Snickers is impatiently waiting for his quality time. See you in the next one. Bye!